Hello Stampers, it's Amy Barnes with Ink Stamps Paper, and I wanted to just pop in real quick today with a little demonstration of an upcoming class that I have, and it is the Home or Welcome Sign Decor class. These are picture frames that change with the seasons, so I'll just give you a quick little demonstration of how that works. There's two different sizes. This one is a 5x7 frame, your typical frame that you can get anywhere. The class does not include the frame. Everybody's style is a little bit different, and so you can pick a frame that works for your home and your colors. And then this sign, it's a little bit larger. It's 6.5 by 12, and it's designed as a CD album frame. So you would, the design has a circle where you would put the CD and then the CD cover. You know, back in the day when we actually had CDs and not everything was on streaming. Anyway, you can get these frames at the craft store or order them online. And again, it's 6.5 by 12, and that's large enough to put the welcome sign on. The 5x7 frames, you can do either home or love, and the O in either design gets replaced. So I'm just going to set this one out of the way a little bit. Well, I guess we'll start with that one. So this one has the Christmas element on it, and this is the tree die cuts with champagne rhinestones and copper star on top and some plaid paper. And this one has the has a pumpkin design on it that's 3D, and this will fold flat for storing. And the way that this works is that you just I use Velcro dots on the back of the pieces to hold them in place. I don't know if you can see that in the light there, but maybe a different color will show up better. There's Velcro dots on the back of the pieces, and then you can just interchange them. So this design has the pretty blue glimmer paper and element there to change it out, and then we have a fall element that's got champagne glimmer paper, gold glimmer paper, the leaves with the stitching, and this pretty two-tone ribbon. And then a Halloween design with a kitty cat punch and a little spider, a little pumpkin. And all of these are just punch art. They're not coloring or stamping on them until you get to this design. And this is the fancy one out of the whole set. And you can stamp whichever flowers you want and color them how you want. The class comes with the cutout layer. I'll pull it off so you can see it a little more closely. It comes with the cutout layer with the 3D jar from the Jar of Flowers set, and it's got the little shaker pieces in it, little elements here. You can stamp any of the flowers from the Jar of Flowers stamp set and add it to this, or your other flowers that you want to add. Just needs to have kind of a little bit of a flat bottom. If you're local, you can come by my stamp area and stamp your own and take it with you. But for to-go kits, there you will need to do your own stamping for Stampin' Up's policy. And then there's copper ribbon, a little bit of copper accents. And these you can color in any colors that you want. I used fall colors for this, but because those are kind of my favorites. But you can use whatever colors you want, whatever works well with your decor. I used the alcohol stamping blend markers, but you could use watercolor, watercolor pencils, regular markers, whatever you feel like for coloring. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a little bit of a close-up view of the elements that are going to be in this month's, or in this class. So we have the 6 different elements. There's the jar, there's pumpkin, cat for Halloween, leaves, and the pretty snowflakes. So those are the elements for this class, and information for signing up is on the page. If you have any questions, I'd love to hear from you. If you like the video or the projects, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you so much.